Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. In today's video, you are going to get the information regarding TCS NQT hiring drive for 2021. Here are the basic details. The company name is TCS. The qualification is for MBA. The name of the test is TCS National Qualifier Test. The experience is open for freshers. The last date for registration is 13th of December 2020 and the year of passing 2021 candidates can apply as well. The category is under IT jobs and the test date will be on 19th of December 2020 and the job location is across India. You can check out tcs.com, which is the official website, if you need more information. And the important dates are as follows, so you can please note down the dates and you cannot miss any of the important dates. For registration closing date, it is 13th of December 2020 and the test date will be on 19th of December 2020 and the interview date will be communicated according to the shortlisted students, which will be based on the NQT performance and that will be sent to their registered email IDs. The result declaration for TCS MBA hiring will be sent to your registered email IDs accordingly. The eligibility criteria: the course, only 2 years full-time, regular post-graduation management courses will be considered. Part-time or correspondence or 1-year courses, such candidates will not be eligible or they will not be considered for the criteria of eligibility. Students who have done their schooling from NIOS, those students are eligible to apply. The background of study, BTech or a BE background prior to MBA or integrated MBA is a must. And the batch, students of 2021 pass out batch are eligible to apply. The age, candidates with a minimum age of 18 years and a maximum of 30 years in the time of TCS examination will be eligible to apply. And then the gap years, if you have a gap year, it is mandatory to declare the gap years, or if you have any backlogs, please do mention it during the academic year, or if you have any work experience. If you have taken any break in between education or work experience, please note that that should not exceed 30 months as mentioned. And according to the gap which is mentioned, you have to provide and relevant documents as a proof for the eligibility criteria. And please check the gap years in between the education also. The work experience is as follows. Candidates who have prior work experience will be considered and work experience should be on relevant to the job profile or the job role, and the decision will be taken by the interview panel. Now let us see what is the specialization that they can be considered. Specialization in marketing or finance, operations, supply chain management, information technology, general management, business analyst, project management, all these specializations are considered. The percentages of consideration are as follows. Candidates must have 60% or above in each of their academic criteria. In their class 10, class 12, diploma if applicable, their graduation and post-graduation examination, which also includes their final years or final semesters. Extended education, it is not allowed in the highest qualification, and the backlogs, there should be no pending backlogs at the time of appearing for the TCS process. Candidates, please note that if selected, you should not present any backlogs at the time of the joining TCS. Please note that they have eligibility criteria and robust selection process. At every level of the recruitment process, there will be a focus to ensure the quality of the hiring. Also, they ensure that the TCS selection process is conducted in line with the recruitment guidelines and policies. Candidates, please note to be aware of the fraud websites or the fraud job offers that they are offering in the name of TCS as well. So the TCS MBA NQT test pattern is as follows. The test sections are 3 sections, which are verbal ability, quantitative aptitude and business aptitude. And for completing this particular 3 sections of examination, you will have 90 minutes to finish. Now, how to apply? You can check out the link which is in the description box or the link which is mentioned here on the screen. Now, what are the frequent FAQs which you have? What are the frequent doubts or the questions that usually candidates have? Now the first question is, when will you receive the login credentials for the test? You will receive the login details a couple of days before the test date, subject to your valid TCS NQT MBA drive on the completion of below mentioned steps. So what are those steps? Completing the application form and clicking on apply for the drive. You being shortlisted on the basis of TCS eligibility criteria. And the next question is, when are the interviews scheduled? The interview schedule will be communicated to the shortlisted students based on the test performance, only to your registered email ID. If you have already have a CT or a DT number, do you need to register again? So if you have a CT or a DT reference number, log on to the link which is mentioned here. Also the same link will be mentioned in the description box as well. So you can check out the description box and not miss any of the important links as mentioned here on the screen. Can I make any changes to my profile as I have made some mistakes in my profile? Please remember, there are only few editable changes in fields like academic marks and duration to your profile. So if you have already have a CT or a DT number, do you need to update my marks or the CGPA in my application form, and how should you do? So you can edit the details by clicking the edit application form, and then it will lead you to do the further steps. Next question is, I already have a CT or a DT number. Can I make changes to my name or date of birth or title or address or email ID or telephone number? So candidates, please remember, to the details which are mentioned here especially, you can't make any changes. So no changes can be made to the above fields once your profile has been created. So when you are typing your name or date of birth or title or your email ID along with your telephone number, please make sure that you are putting an accurate information there and also working information which they can respond to. Next, if you have created two profiles, what you should do? So as per the TCS, only one profile should be created. If you have any duplicate profiles are not acceptable. You can write to this particular email and then you can request for the deletion of your duplicate profile. Then the next question is, I'm getting an error while updating your 10th grade or 12th standard details application form, and what you should do. Then you need to enter a minimum of 9 months in your 10th grade and 12th standard course duration details accordingly. And then how will you get the results of the TCS NQT drive for MBA? And the results for this will be sent to your registered email ID. So your email ID should be working, and please don't give any duplicate email IDs which are not working. Also, if your account is locked, how can you unlock it? So here are the steps that you can follow. First, you can request directly by logging on to this particular website as mentioned here. The same link will be mentioned in the description box as well. So you can check out the description box and not miss the link. Also, the next step which you have to do is click on the unlock account and then the reset password. You will be receiving an auto-generated email for resetting the password after 15 minutes. Now, what you have to do is, please do not click on the link repeatedly. By clicking so, your previous passwords will be expired and the new password will be generated and sent to your registered email address. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this is helpful for you all, and if you're having any other doubts, any more clarifications if you need, you can put it down in the comment section below and we will answer your questions. Also, you can share it with your friends, whoever are looking forward for this information. Also, please subscribe to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you.